What's going on, guys? It's Tom Fernandez here, coming to you live from downtown Chicago. Was just here at Office Depot here in the Loop picking up some stuff. And guys, so today I just had a conversation with a real estate agent and kind of put things into perspective for him of how much money that he's leaving on the table. And what I realized is there's so many real estate agents out there who don't realize that they're leaving money on the table when it comes to making additional income. And today I wanted to talk about that because I think it's really important, especially now with winter's coming and there's a lot of real estate agents who are, the season is going to slow down. And then the statistic is 80 to 90% of real estate agents don't make money their first year or two. So I want to talk about three things. Number one, I want to mention is I'm in the financial industry. So real estate and financial services, especially insurance services, is a perfect marriage. And I'm going to go into three reasons why real quick. So the first thing is, there's a huge amount of people who want to buy a house that don't qualify. And when people don't qualify, the average insurance agent, good morning, Jason, the average insurance agent just the average real estate agent just says, hey, go fix your credit and come back. Well, when you partner up with a financial services firm, a lot of times they'll help coach people getting out of debt faster with them than without them. For example, at my firm, we have about 3 to 4 strategies to show people how to get out of debt faster with us than without us. So the average person will take 3 to 4 years to get out of debt and fix their credit score. Well, we're doing that in 12 to 24 months or even less than that, depending on how severe it is. So the first thing is partnering up with a financial services firm as a real estate agent. Those people who don't qualify, now you have an organized system to go help them fix their credit. And guess what? That financial services firm that you sent them to is going to send them right back to you. So that's number one, is helping people fix their credit score so you don't drop the ball. Number two is, there's a lot of strategies that people can use life insurance to protect their house. If you look, there's a high percentage of people who lose their home either due to death of a spouse or serious illness. So what most real estate agents don't understand is it's not just about selling the home, but it's about having your clients being able to keep the home in the worst times of their life. So if you structure a good life insurance plan for the duration of the mortgage, then that client, no matter what happens, either a death of a spouse and the income stops coming in, they can still stay in that home. Or number two, if that client ends up getting a severe illness, can't go to work, and there's no money coming in, guess what? The house is paid off. Very powerful concept that most real estate agents don't understand. So now you're not only putting your clients in a good position, but you're allowing them to keep the house. And the other thing behind that is when you sell somebody a home, providing them with continuous financial education will build your amount of referrals that you're getting. So if I sell you a home and I say, all right, I'll see you in a few years when I ask you for referrals, you're most likely not going to come back. Or I can say, you know what, I'm having a workshop next week where we're talking about retirement, where we're talking about getting out of debt, where we're talking about fixing your credit score, which is what a lot of financial services firms do. So if you partner up with a financial services firm, you are adding an additional amount of loyalty from your customers, therefore increasing your referrals. All right, so that's number two. And number three, what happens if somebody sells their home? So right now there's a lot of baby boomers who are selling their home and they're downsizing. Man, kids are out the house. I don't want this, this 5-acre piece of land. You know what? I want to go move into a smaller home. Well, guess what? They have equity built up in that home. And what happens is they want to use that equity and put it in a place where it's safe, secure, and where it can grow. In the financial services industry, we provide those accounts for people where they can take that equity that they just sold from their home, put it in an account. So now not only do they have their money safe, but now you're preparing your clients for retirement. So now the client's looking at you like, wow, this person helped me in all aspects of my life. So most real estate agents don't understand that. They're dropping the ball and they're losing money. We have a real estate agent, actually, she's on here now, Rashada Blanchard. She actually makes additional income stream doing what we do part-time, and there's many more stories like that. So for me, my call to action to you, if you're a real estate agent, figure out and learn how you can partner up with firms like ours so you're not losing any money, and those down times, those down periods, you have money coming in, and also it's going to complement your real estate business so that your income goes up there as well. So I wanted to share those 3 points. Number one, just to recap, was helping those clients who don't qualify fix their credit so you can go ahead and help them out, help them buy the house. Number two is when you sell a home, making sure that your clients are able to keep it with strategically placing them on life insurance policies that protect them in the worst case scenario so they can keep their home. Also is offering financial education throughout building a relationship with your client so that it's not just I'm seeing you every 10 years, just ask for referrals. And then number 3, what if your client just sold a house, they have extra equity sitting in their hands? Can you help them put that somewhere safe where they can prepare for retirement? So those are the 3 tips I want to give you guys. If you guys know a real estate agent, feel free to tag them below. If you like this video, like, share, comment. As always, your success is important to you. You guys, peace.